Alright, chat. So we're about to get news in 1 minute, so you guys can see this type of move. I've already, so far this candle is super bullish on USD, CHF, and it's projected to move all the way up here to up here. So I really think CHF will pump to the daily highs, just for the simple fact we had did break above here, and we did touch this EMA a couple times, so I feel like we're just gonna get a drop of liquidity to the upside. So we're gonna see this big monster move that's gonna happen right now. We have 17 seconds. Let me clear this. We did get a break. We did get a break on the 3 minute. Let's see. Green. This is super good. Job jolts is what we need. We did. We did get a break right here. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, this is super bullish. We are gonna see this to go to daily highs now. Super good news for the dollar right now. Let's see all these pairs. I think they're gonna start running up again because we did make a higher low right here. We could potentially see moves up here or up here. So this calculated to up here. Let's see. We did get a 5 minute break right here, chat. Let's see, 15 minutes. Next candle would give us another entry, but we did make two legs on this zone right here that I had marked up. I really think we're gonna have a monster move in a couple. Yeah, there's no type of support, but there is liquidity up here, and we did retrace these highs. Oh yeah, come on. So chat, so you guys know, whenever anything that says USD is green, I mean it's good for the dollar. And anything that says USD and it's red, it's bad for the dollar. That's probably gonna affect the market negatively, meaning people are gonna more likely go on sales because there was bearish news, right? So we did get good news on the dollar, making these two bullish candles, engulfing candles. Now we could potentially see two things. We could potentially see um a big push up on the upside, grabbing liquidity. That's what I believe is gonna do. And then we before the market loves to do this. I've always noticed it that the market loves to like get 4 hour liquidity or daily liquidity before running up to the upside or weekly. Because think about it like this: weekly and daily and 4 hours are usually like if you were a big institutions, that's where your take profits will be. And also those take profits are other people's sell zones because some people counter trend trade, meaning they wait for highs to get touched and then they put their sell orders. Boom, and then they go for a scalp or they hold because those orders are usually the strongest. You understand? So chat, that's just yeah, that's what it was. But we see that this candle is printing more volume than these two candles. It has doing more volume and it's moving more on price, right? If it closes like that. If it closes, we could definitely see a big push up. We did draw liquidity already. Draw liquidity means we did tap lows. We did tap lows. We tapped these lows. We tapped these lows. We tapped these lows. We tapped these lows. So price makes it, everything's making sense. Nothing that's being shown doesn't make sense unless you're fucking my bad chat for my language, but unless you're trading like this type of pair, this is like doesn't make sense because it's going for liquidity, 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 and then just consolidating. You understand me? And it's not market. It's not like a clean market. You gotta go for a market with clean structure. The cleaner the structure, the better. But right now, everything's corresponding with everything. So we are bullish at the dollar. I really think the dollar's just gonna dominate. It's gonna go for all-time highs. I feel like the dollar's gonna go back up to where it used to be. Just for the simple fact we haven't been up here since um we haven't been up here in these highs since like last year. Literally last year. Last year we did see a drop of price March 2025. And we're in March 13th. Meaning this time around of this year, the dollar's gonna dominate everything, and I believe that gold will go down. I do believe gold will go down to like 4,800, or we're gonna see like I feel like there's gonna be like three liquidations taking gold back to like 4,000, just like what happened here, but just a little like actually breaking this low, like actually breaking, because I do think we're super bearish on. I actually do think we're super bearish on gold, just for the simple fact right here that gold did break under this under this low and made a lower high, higher high, lower high, lower high. Meaning, if it makes a lower high, you're gonna make a lower low, right? And we can definitely see a TPs right here, or down here. And guess where the last EMA is at? It's at 42, and it hasn't been here since 2025. So I do think it's about time gold does drop for some liquidity just to sweep all these lows. It did sweep right here, but it wasn't enough buyers to push all-time highs again. So I really do think that we're gonna go down to these lows, like these lows right here. to draw down more liquidity. I do think once we tap these lows, it will run up again. Probably retrace down to these lows for resistance, and yeah, pretty much what I believe. It's just a bias chat. It's nothing like been analyzing because obviously I could be wrong. Obviously I could be right. It's just wherever the market wants to go or be or feel like doing, because either way, I'm not a market maker. Um, okay, so we do see that it did definitely go up. It seems like it's super strong. And it is a Friday, so I don't think we're gonna get as much volume, but it's alright. Um, we just gotta make a little retracement, or it doesn't. See, see the type of trend. See the type of trend this is. It's 50%. Let's say right here. 38%. I really think it's this 38 because we did not have a 50% per, and we did get the starting move right here, but it just didn't retrace. I'm gonna put it like, no, this is the starting move. It broke structure right here. It did make a lower low, um, higher high, higher low, broke, boom, boom, boom. This is the move. Guys, you always want to do the Fibonacci wherever the move started. Like, you see that went lower low, broke right here, retraced back down, broke up here. So that's where you usually want to put the Fibonacci, where the move started. And it's looking like right here that we are on a strong trend. So, so I can help you guys understand trends and stuff. Like 223.6 trend is super strong, where usually it doesn't take as much retracement, like a big retracement like this, or like big retracements like that. Like you guys see how it barely even needed like retracements to go up, because this is a very strong trend that I'm gonna do a video on. I'm gonna post it later today, but today I wanted to do a market overview.